karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox and I'm going to set this IKEA train. Okay, so guys, this train they sell it by this brand name. Okay, and I got it from the local IKEA store. Okay, and guys, this is a wooden train, so it does not have an engine to power it. You just have to push it. Okay, just to power it, I bought this electric engine separately, so which I can put in front of it and it can pull it. So this runs on two AAA size batteries. So guys, this train set, it comes with all these things. Okay, so which is a lot. So it has wooden rails, it has a bridge, and it has gates, some wooden houses, and all these things. Okay, but in this video we won't do the full setup due to the limitation of the space, but we will try to do a small tiny setup and we will try to run it with the engine which we bought. So guys, here it is. So guys, this is your IKEA train. So this is a bridge which comes with it. So this is the elevation for the bridge, and it also has this gates which close and open when the train is passing. Okay, and it has some houses and buildings, and then some stop signs. Okay, and this is the engine, and these are the bogies, and they are magnetic, so they stick to each other using these tiny magnets. Okay, and what else is there in the box? Another building top. I think we can set it up like a railway station, and a bridge, and then we have different rails. We have curved, we have straight rails, and so on. And we also have these rails to do the elevation. Okay, so guys, now what I'll do is I'll set this thing up. So I will do a small setting so that it can fit into our camera frame, and then we will try to run that train. So guys, you can see I did a very basic setup for this train. Now I'm pushing it across the railway track. Okay, so here it is going. So guys, now I'm going to power it with this battery powered engine. So guys, here is my engine, and here you can see the button. So this button has three settings. I push it forward, so you can see a small light is on and the engine moves forward, and if I put it back, it moves backward. So guys, now we are going to power our train using this engine. So I will remove this part, and I am going to attach my engine. As you know, it is magnetic, so automatically they should stick to each other. Okay, so they are not sticking. So let me check the polarity of the magnets. See, they are sticking, and these are not. They are. So guys, here goes our train. Let us stop it. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Soon I will do the full setup of this train, and we are going to play with it, and I will make another video for it. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. All of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.